you shoot me. I'm going to meet the sheriff. The sheriff is waiting for us. So you do as you damn well please. But I'm not going anywhere. Here I am, right there. Right there, put a bullet through it. You understand? I'm going to go meet the sheriff. You back down or you kill me now. Go ahead, put the bullet through me. I don't care.
Where's Ryan?
I'm going to go meet the sheriff. You do as you damn well please.
What for?
Well, I'm going to ask them if they want to go out.
What for? Why are we getting
You want out?
What for? What are we getting out?
Who are you? Yeah, who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Oregon State Police.
Okay, well, I'm going over to meet the sheriff in Grant County. You can come along with us, and you can talk with us over there. You can go ahead and shoot me. You put the laser right there, put the bullet through the head. Okay, boys, this is going to get real. You want my blood on your hands? Get it done, because we got people to see and places to go. No, I don't.
You need to back off.
You need to back off.
Where in the heck is Ammon?
You shouldn't have ever stopped.
Did Ammon?
You're wasting oxygen, son.
Where they got a...
What? Oh, did they have Ryan? Did they arrest him?
I don't know
He
what they
shouldn't
did.
have got out.
He shouldn't have got out.
I'm not turning over. I'm going into Dade County.
Well,
I'm going into Grant County to see the sheriff.
Well, if we duck and you drive, what are they going to do? Try to knock us out? How much further we got to go?
To shoot your tires.
We got about 50 miles.
Do we?
Okay.
Tell them to approach the vehicle.
Okay.
And Ryan's talking to him, right?
Okay.
Is he talking to him?
I can't tell.
I can't even see him except the guy behind the door that's got his gun on us. Say we have kids in here.
We hold each other.
Okay, who can we call?
Start
I
calling.
don't have service.
Call that sheriff.
I probably do.
I call.
Here, turn that down.
Okay.
Where's my
Hey,
phone?
boys, you better realize we got people on the way. You want a bloodbath? It's going to be on your hand. We're going to go see the sheriff.
Call Joseph Rice.
Do I have his number?
Better understand how this thing's going to end.
What's the number?
I'm going to be
I'm
laying
finding
down
it.
here on
Hold
the
on.
ground with my
No
blood on the
service.
street, or I'm going to go see the sheriff.
You don't have any?
We got people
service?
en route.
I think
Yes,
it's-
we do. Hold this. Hold
You're
this
wasting
camera.
your oxygen.
Hold this camera. Listen. Great. Okay. Take pictures. Keep an eye on him.
All right.
Keep an eye on LaVoy.
Can you take pictures and still have it
it's going.
recording?
It's recording
Okay,
now.
cool.
Okay, no. I
Okay,
don't
what's
stand.
his number?
I'm looking. Just a minute.
You need to back down.
We don't have any service. We have no service here.
Start calling people. They did it because there's no service here.
I
Yeah,
know
they
it.
got it.
They know it. There's no service here at
We
all.
should never have stopped. We should
Okay.
never have stopped.
I'm going to keep going.
Then we have to duck.
I know.
What are they
Go
gonna do
get
with
people.
Ryan?
Okay.
If we take
Then
off,
you
where they
get
gonna do?
Ryan
Shoot-
back.
Shoot your tires out.
Well,
Most likely.
okay, Ryan Hammond.
Where's
Why did they pull you
Go
over?
get help.
There's no service here.
Just because.
Okay, you ready?
Well, where's those where's the
They got
guns?
him stopped. He can't get around it. I'm going to go. You guys ready?
Okay, get down.
Then you duck
Get
down.
down.
Give me that
Up.
camera. Okay, give me this camera. Go. Got it.
Are they shooting?
Got it. Keep going.
Okay, what about Ammon and those guys?
We can't get around him. I'm going to go get help.
Okay.
Okay,
Stay down. Stay down.
I I need a
Stay
phone
down.
so I can call as soon as I get service.
Wait up. Yeah, keep watching the phone to see if you get any
I
service.
don't have any. I don't have any.
I can't even get Joe Rice.
Coming up fast.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, I don't know about numbers.
Well, I got numbers, but I can't call because we have no service.
Okay.
No, mobile network not available.
Do you have numbers for people here in town?
Yeah, but
Hang on.
Okay, they're shooting.
Hang on.
Okay, we're here.
Go ahead and shoot me.
Damn! Trying to.
Shoot me. Go ahead and shoot me.
Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Shoot me. You have to shoot me.
Damn it. Are they shooting him? Did they shoot him? You assholes. Oh my God! Hold still. Hold still. Stay down.
I can't
Is
get
he
out.
dead?
Don't get out.
I'm an EMT!
Stop it.
Are you hit?
No, I'm an EMT!
No, hold on. Hold on. Don't do anything. Don't shooting. Don't do anything. Keep the door shut. Where the hell is LaVoy? Damn.
I can't see.
Shut up. Stay down, Ryan.
Oh, God!
Ryan, stay
Let me
down.
out.
Stay down. Oh, shit.
I think they just
Keep down.
killed the boy.
Did they kill him?
I think they did, and they're shooting over here on this
Oh,
door.
I got hit too.
Okay, hold
you-
still.
where did you
I
get
don't
hit?
know. It didn't.
Hold still, hold
It's
still.
not
Ryan,
bleeding.
where did you get
Hold
hit?
still.
I'm not bleeding.
Okay, don't shoot
Where
us.
did you get hit, Ryan?
I'm okay. It's on
Okay,
the
I'm
shoulder.
going to take some.
It's okay.
I'm taking some. Keep down. Oh, shit. Well, I don't know. Get out of the car. How are we supposed to get out of the car?
Did they tell us to get out of the car?
No, I can't hear anything. I don't dare get out of the car. Oh, shit. Quit shooting the windows.
Where are they shooting them?
They're hitting the windows. I don't know. They're trying to break their window.
God, keep us safe, please.
Please, please protect us,
Please,
God.
God. God.
Please protect us. Please protect us. Please protect us. We need help. We need help. We need help.
Did they kill him? They killed
No, I
him.
can see a laser coming in.
They killed. Oh my God, they killed him.
Okay. So where's the rest of everyone?
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah,
I can see lasers going by.
Where did you get hit?
I'm okay.
He's got lasers.
got a laser.
Keep your head down. I can see the laser. If you see a laser, keep it away from us. There's laser on your knee. Stop! I don't dare get out because they'll shoot me.
I know.
Okay.
I don't like hunkering down here either.
Me either, but I don't know what to do because
I don't know.
they keep shooting lasers at us.
Get too stinking lax. Think things are just all dandy and fine. We got too damn lax.
Yeah. Damn, why do they keep shooting?
I'm
Why
trying to take my head off. I was looking through.
I know, but all of us? Stop! Stop! Stop!
Please!
Stop! Yes. Ah! That's ridiculous. Because you're stupid. Are they going to kill all of us?
Keep us safe.
Father, please. Protect.
Those were gas rounds.
Yeah, they're good wherever your nose quick. Do we get out? Do we get out?
No, don't get out.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Okay. Okay.
God.
Okay.
God. Please keep
Okay,
us
there.
safe.
Okay, they got lasers still on us.
They got lasers still on us. LaVoy got out. I think they've killed LaVoy. They just shot gas rounds into the car. We're hunkered down in here trying not to be shot.
He's shooting. That's right. He's shooting at them.
Shooting more gas rounds. The gas is getting pretty thick in here.
You got nothing to do.
God. Please.
Anyway.
You didn't get out. I don't dare get out. Will they shoot me?
Yeah, they'll shoot you.
How am I gonna get out? If I get...
Anyway.
Can we put a white flag out?
Yeah, I would put a flag out. Let's put a flag out.
Do we have a white flag? Yep.
I'm not sure what they got. What you got?
There's a laser shooting right over here around this.
Okay. The gas dissipates.
He's trying to break this window. He's trying to break the window I'm at.
Okay.
Does anybody have anything white? Does he look to have a white bra on?
I
I can't get my shirt off. He's a laser trying to shoot this window. He's got this window open here.
Speak to people. Anyway, they ambushed us on the way to John Day. And now they're shooting into our vehicle. And we're hunkered down. We do not have phone service at this location.
I surrender! Can we just surrender?
Okay, open the left door. Let's get out.
Okay!
That's you, Ryan. I don't know if you can get out. You get out first. Let her in first. Let her out first. You go first. You go first.
Please don't shoot me!
Okay, go.
Okay, I get out.
Okay, get out.
Okay!
No, he'll shoot Ryan first. He'll shoot you first, Ryan. Hands up. Hands up.
The boy's dead.
Shit. Okay. Okay, go. Okay, hands up. Okay, go. Let him shoot, Joe. Joe.
You said
Okay.
wait, I can't go yet.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, hold on, son. Hold on, sis. Hang on.
Oh,
No, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, I still got my camera on for a minute. Okay, you ready?